Hi there, this is my course preview. It's created in Odysseyware. It's History and Geography 800A. That's 8th grade, first semester for the 2021 school year. I decided to do a video just because this doesn't show up well in pictures and they're too big. So here are my 4 units for the semester. Each unit is built similarly. I have in the first unit, we have the overview and syllabus. I do not have a getting started module because each lesson must have questions and is graded. And so we put everything just in the syllabus and overview in the beginning. So that's why that's there as a lesson. I've got my pre-test, which is the same as the post-test. I have about 3 or 4 lessons in a quiz. There's 4 in a quiz. My single project for the unit test, which is the same as the pre-test, and a unit reflection. And the rest of these 3 units are built the same way: pre-test, lessons, quizzes, project, which I've yet to actually build in this platform, but I've got the project ready to go. I just have to add it in. Unit 2 and unit reflection. Unit 3 pretest. This one has 4 lessons per quiz. There's the project, test and reflection. And unit 4, pretest, lessons, quizzes. This one I had 5 lessons before the quiz, but they're all, it made sense for me to do it that way, that one. There's unit 4 test and a reflection. I do not have a final review unit or a final exam. That was a decision I made based on our standards-based grading. So that's why that is the way it is. If you have any questions or you would like to see this in a different way, please just let me know. I'm happy to share my password with you so you can get in, my student password, so you can get in and see this as a student if you'd like. So just let me know. Thank you.